This tutorial covers resizing stock graphics in the Graphics app. To adjust the size of a stock graphic, there are a few steps involved. If you want to make the graphic a little larger, for instance, you will need to adjust the background or canvas so that it will accommodate the larger graphic. Let's try this with a mobile tab graphic. Let's first select a mobile tab left graphic. Once selected, let's make some room for an increase in size. First, click the top left menu icon, which is Background. You will then see the Background Size menu. Drag the sliders for the background width and height. We will adjust the background again after we resize the artwork and text. Next, select the Graphic tab Clip Art in the Design Layers menu. Again, the main graphic is typically the bottom layer. Once selected, you will see the resizing handles around the graphic. To scale evenly, just grab by clicking a corner handle, holding your mouse down, and dragging the graphic to the size you want. Next, hover over the center of the graphic until you see the Move icon. Then click and hold the graphic with your mouse to position. When the layer is selected, you can also use your arrow keys on your keyboard for further positioning. Next, we will need to adjust the text. Simply select the text layer on the Design Layers menu and adjust it into position on the graphic. You might need to scale the text as well. Finally, we will need to trim the background to match the graphic size. Here is a shortcut to quickly size the background correctly. Select the main graphic in the Design Layers menu, and then click the Precision Controls menu on the right. You will notice the width and height, W and H, and the number of pixels for that graphic. Please be aware that some artwork might have been rotated, so the width and height might be reversed. It should be obvious, and when that is the case, just use W for height and H for width. Once you have the width and height in pixels, write those measurements down if necessary, or just remember them. Then click the background icon on the left menu to bring up the Background Size menu. Type the numbers in directly and click the Return key. You will then notice the background will be sized perfectly. Alternately, you can use the background size sliders and numeric controls to adjust the background size. Once you are satisfied with the results, be sure to save your new custom graphic.